know how you sleep, my brother. I don't know how you sleep, honestly. O nwere ike ọwụrụ na n'ime video nwere ike promote peace. I think that the only video ị na-eme na Facebook a na-promote peace wo nke ijere ime business, which is ego. Ebe ijere ime advance, which is ego. You gotta go, which is ego. Every single step you take on Facebook is capable of destroying friendship, killing relationships, instigating people to fight, either verbal or whatever. But I am saying that one day, all these verbal expressions, verbal whatever thing, let us pray that one day it does not translate to physical confrontation on the ground. Because on that day, amara m na onye nke m ka onye nke ye banya ma anya mo. We may not know. We may not know. Stop it, it's not good. Stop it, my brother. It is not good. It is not good. Stop that. Stop living that kind of life. Stop living that kind of life. You cannot come and knowing fully well that now people to involve. And now people to involve are not just one person, but numbers and numbers. Numbers and numbers. You go here and walk in Rananko, in Oraziananko. If you know, Sicha, a map again, and you another one. Osiwepa, Chapa, Union and Chapa, a map again, and you again. And you enjoy doing that. You enjoy doing that. The other day, you cook to go work war. Nto catch go work war. He will just basa mbaka or ogo. You said it. You said in Nto Kapolo Wogo, he will just Musambaka ogo. And everything you cool about Mbaka, no Nto Kapolo Wogo Kijeme. A video to capable of causing collision between the adorers and the Zionites. Then, with those people who don't know Abu Zezuko by the side, taking advantage of the two parties. You did it. And that is still also a way of promoting peace in Igbo. From there, you have to use your platform to preach love. Use your platform to promote peace among Igbo. So, this is a way of promoting peace. By dropping something that is capable, adoration ministry Enugu, population both in Nigeria here and outside Nigeria, population of people worth over 10 million. Zion ministry, with population of people close to 10 million. So what you did is that the two parties in Wazie before that people have forgotten. All the videos need them. Na Facebook. Why are you like this? Why are you like this? What is the point you people are always trying to make in doing all this on Facebook? And when you go to bed, you sleep. Even those people who say, we love you, right on. You don't feel pained that you are misleading these people. Your conscience is not pricking you that you are misleading these people. That these people may take your intention to be genuine, but your intention is not genuine. You cannot feel guilty. Like this, and I say, for the sake of these people that still believe in me, oh my God, I am misleading them. Your conscience will begin to prick you. Have you lost that conscience that makes you a human being? Have you lost that conscience? My brother, the highest rate of when you don't have conscience anymore. When you don't have conscience anymore, nothing bothers you. You don't care about anything, provided you are in a position to earn money. It is very bad. It is very bad. Can that adoration Enugu we must ozugbo crash here within the Zion? Can they what you aim to achieve is what I don't understand. When you were saying that thing about Mbaka, people assume that it is your opinion. Some people fought you then. Those people, there was also a crash then. A mission can people move forward. Fast forward to yesterday. Yesterday, I don't mean like literally yesterday, like fast forward the last month or last 2 months or so, you went and the wolupa fuel to go for Putokuga to Kwasamenuye and Wako, we believe the Wagala again in Oro. Eh? Now the Yoku is not a Yuga Yoko, Nibel Water. Sena the Yuga Yoko, need in China. Sena the Yuga Yoko, Neto Afia. Now the Yuga Yoko, no one need grace your wedding. Yeah? Onya sukunu nya mebe ka o si eme mana onya na eme ofuma mana asego ha ka iji mana ifi na eme adoro mma mana kwa amaru na ebe nwata na ebe akwa atu aka nne ya no he nna ya nori ya nde mmada atu na ya aka too much and it's not something good. I don't have much problem in every other aspect of your life, but this aspect of always trying to throw in confusion is what I don't like. Ebeno. And the fact that when you do it, you will begin to parade yourself as an innocent man is what is so painful. You will begin to pretend like you don't know what you are doing, when in actual sense you know what you are doing. You know what you are doing. Every morning in Ndoka, you go on and say in Ndoka. Who arrested Ken? I am asking. Who arrested Ken? Who arrested Ken? Barely within 30 to 45 minutes, Edge will make an arrest. The information I know go all over Facebook. 24 hours later, we are yet to see information everywhere about who arrested Ken. If you waja meli we biana na program na arrested Ken Ezioku. And so what? Is he above arrest? Why can he not be arrested? Have you not been arrested before? Yes. Have you not been arrested before? Have you not arrested somebody before? What is there in arresting somebody? He arrests a man and he to mmadụ na arụsị ka onye ahụ nwụọ. Ka ife dị iche na arrest ọka hụ mma. Ana m ajụ ajụjụ. He arrest mmadụ na ije to mmadụ na arụsị. Kedu nke ka do more bad? Ije to mmadụ na arụsị wụ instant judgment. Instant judgment. Man, ime mmadụ arrest wo ka eje kwuo ka eje kwukọrọ. Yes. So why na no ha arrest ya? Attention ndị antena mmadụ niile esietu apụrụ ọtọ na apapụ ka nke speed darlington. Ịnụ na arrest mmadụ, the best thing for you to do, the first for you to do is to find out who arrested the person, why the person was arrested. That is the first thing for you to do before you come out to crash people's heads together. 24 hours later, we are yet to know who arrested Kilafe. Yet to know who arrested Ken. But somebody had jumped to go out immediately. Somebody had jumped to go out immediately. Thereby not Ndoka, because everything to you is content. You don't even know the signal you are passing to people out there. Tomorrow you will claim that you are a Christian. The kind of a Christian you are is what I am yet to understand. I am yet to understand what are those qualities that makes one a Christian. Like, qualities is it by always telling people that is it by always telling people that is it by always telling people that is that what makes me a good decay? Is that what makes me a good decay? What makes me a true son of decays is by living a life whereby when people see me outside, they will ask, by then I have introduced my family even without mentioning their names. What makes you a real Christian? Is it by always coming out to talk down on them? Is it by always coming out to criticize them? It is by always coming out. You are doing content, my brother. You are doing content. You cannot miss it. And that will not stop you from doing content and earning your money. But run away from some sensitive issues. I know what I mean by sensitive issues. The issue of arrest. Arrest. Why did you arrest here? Especially Ken and the ife amụọ gasịrị kedu ife oji onye arestịrị ya then gbaa itiwa ya nọ ndị ụka. One of otu ife eji anụ kitikiti na Facebook itiwa ya at the height of everything ịnọrụzie na-achọzi ndị ya abịa na-agụ iyi ana-agụ iyi ọ na-atọghụ then knowing fully well that na by mentioning ndị ụka because na ikwuchakwa ese na ọhọwụ ndị ụka niile Okonkwo kwuchakwa na ọhọwụ ndị ụka niile. Of course we know ndị ụka unu na refer to, we know ndị ụka unu na refer to, ndị ụka ka ndị mmadụ wee pụtakwa wee kwuwekwa ọ ya dụrụ unu mma unu kawuru onwe unu n'ụka. And you are telling me that you are a Christian because you want to do content, because you want Facebook to pay you, because you want your engagement to increase. Are there no better content you can still do that fall along those lines rather than instigating people against each other? Yes, rather than instigating people against each other. Then now all somebody pick it up okay she will pick nke no ndoka diri ebe onye obodo no, and people forgot about the foundation of the problem. All another person pick it up keta n'ebe Jpac no ofiobakwa, before you know it a lot of people will go down, a lot of images will go down, a lot of names will be mentioned, and some people will be enjoying it. Because if I tell that some people are not enjoying it, then I will be lying to you. That is the same way all control with this thing. What happened in Uganda? What happened between Igbos and Hausas? Let me tell you. What happened in South Africa? What happened in Zambia and other places? If we don't take care, it will teach us a better lesson another time na Igbo. Then we will learn it again the bitter way. Or see, as many as Ayenwa was in them to tell the future generations the story of what happened or what led to it. They go how it started. Only for you to know that it is something that can actually be managed. But some mischievous people, some people who will ulterior motives, some people who will personal interest blew it out of proportion. Like I told you, anybody could have shut down that plane. Anybody could have done it. Anybody could have done it. It is a military government. It could have still been a coup within the same power. Because those people in our minority, they are not in charge. Where did they source what it takes to get down the presidential plane? But the few people who ulterior motive, who sat down and planned all these things, executed it successfully, passed that information, Nyagaria Bastian, Ogusunobodo. Within 24 hours, na Rwanda, over 1 million people. Still counting. Ndị Rwanda wee gbasasịa ebe niile gbafusịa because of one radio message. Mmadụ nọ na radio wee nye that message. Onye anọrọ ebe ọ na-aṅụ mmanya n'ụlọ ozugbo fụ onye obodo a fụ onye ebe niile na nkọ ọmịmịe mma bịa onye anọrọ ebe a fụ na nwunye ya ewu onye ebe a onye asị n'ime compound a na-enwere ndị ebe a bịa ebe a etu a before shoot to flow a clean no more than 1 million people. Radio message, when people hear it, it goes straight to their emotion. Where chief boy at that shows we say ya wo into Facebook or not choosing say ya wo go get here to the other person who nya hiwe madam ke reality or not show because in South Africa, are you telling me that Mahamud as in Nigeria that they cannot drag you to immigration or if it happen
Why had you feel that no they will do that before they will get themselves, and it all depends on the information. Because I have to go to no go Nigeria meru no ha ife ọ na-arụ no go Nigeria na shop ga ahụ suppose re no na mana onye gwara ife aha amahọ na ebe na South Africa na Ikenga na-ele he na ngụmụ nwekwara ike jebe papa shop he na nkọ nke Ikenga na-ekwunye ụgwọ maka Ikenga kwụrụ ụgwọ ebe ahụ nọ were eme business ya ọ nọghị free. So na ịbịakwa ịchọrọkwa shop na nkọ nke ekwụkwọ ụgwọ onye kwa afịa lebe ife ahụ ọ na-ele. Common sense anyị agwasịghị nke a mana ife anyị agwaghị ụwụ na ndị ahụ ha na-eme ife niile ụnụ supposed ide eme na ọha rendara ndị bụ unu useless na ha mere nke na ha mere nke ibu n'ihe wite iwe because aka igowu mkpụrụ ọjọọ n'ime ife a na-etisa family today. A lot of family a na-anụ ọkụ today wụ oge atụrụ atụ. A lot of families a na-anụ ọgụ today wụ oge atụrụ atụ oge adọ n'ofu ebe pụọ. Onye abụọ na those families today. The interest onye tụrụ ụga personal interest ọ tụọ ya wee ti generation na-agbụ ebighị ebi a na-anụzi a na-egburie mmadụ isi a na-ada maka asịrị na obodo na-agba ghalaghala nwere ndị ji ya alachapịọm. Anyị kwere na onwe anyị aka ahụ agwamayo na ayọ ọ na achọghọ sọpọtụ ranụ Jpac ọnyụpụ ya nwapụta a arestịrị mmadụ barely 1 hour 2 hours eji wee arrest mmadụ. Ụfọdụ ndị report that arrest simply the Palace of Justice has been arrested. They did not go further. Nyanwa nwapụta ọmachancha onye komita internet FBI ọmachapụta ozugbo breki eye ndị ụka unu na-eje ụka ngụmakwana ị na-agụ mmụọ ka m na-ajụ ị na-agụ mmụọ because you want to make Facebook money. Chineke melu na ebele ka ọ wụrụ na ife ahụ planned arrest. Chineke melu na ebele ka ọ wụrụ na ife ahụ plan and the stage kunu stage rie. Chineke melu na ebele Chineke nya wụrụ ole nọ ezigbo arrest ka ọwụ nya wụrụ ole na-ezigbo arrest ka ọwụ ma nya wụrụzie na-achọzi onye arrest ya. Nya wụrụ ole na-ezigbo arrest ka ọwụ ma nya wụrụzie na-achọzi onye arrest ya. Ọ mapụtakwuo ya a lot of people nukwe ya caution ya ngụnwe ya kwe caution ya caution ya gwa medebe this thing ọ na-eme n'ọdụrụ mma. You are stepping on people's toes and you are expecting them not to talk. You are stepping on people's toes and you are really expecting them not to talk. Where does it happen? Kataketa ịpataghị ndị Nnewi or ịpataghị ndị Ebonyi State or ịpataghị ndị Imo State as ndị Imo, not as one person. Onwe ife na-aza na o nwere ofu onye Imo State go na-enwere nsogbu nọ ịpụta ise ndị Imo State and you are expecting ndị Igbo nọ na line ndị Imo nọ na paaki ndị Imo go na ha na-emekọ ife. You are expecting them not to react when you are calling them out in groups. You are calling them out as a state. So anybody from Imo State can respond to you. When you refer to them individually, the person they refer to will choose whether to respond to you or not. But when you refer to them as a state, anybody from Imo State will come and respond to you. Yes. When you refer to them as Ndoka, anybody from Ndoka can come and respond to you. It doesn't matter. And that was what happened just last time. Because when you say Ndoka, Ogechi Wonyoka, Awumonyoka, Ijuwa Wonyoka, yes, we came out and we responded to you. Before you know it, they tell God to one place still to tell you that that is what you enjoy doing. ebele na-emewolu ndị na-sympathize with you ha ka ebele m na-emelu ndị a na-sympathize with you ha ka ebele m na-emelu ọgwụ ndị nọ ndị fake akaụntụ nọ ndị nwere real akaụntụ ha ka ebele m na-emelu only if they really understand the real intentions behind some of these things a na-eme na Facebook. Only if you understand the genuine and real interest concerning all these things that they made on Facebook, you will save your energy. You will save your energy. You will save your energy. Why have they not clarified to us something now? Ndoka Jesse arrested. Kilafaya, Ken. Why in up till now they have not specified to us? They have not explained to us specifically the particular Ndoka they arrest Ken. Is it not time yet? Is it not time yet? Then Waja is coming to tell me that yes, now arrest Ken. That information ought to complete. That information ought to complete. Knowing very well that somebody has issued. Why? Okay, since you want to come and confirm his arrest, why can't you dispute the information that was given yesterday? If it is real, tell us that it is real. Yes, non Doka, non the mountain of fire church, non the redeemed, non the deeper life, non the St. Matthew Anglican Church, non the ministry do to no individual. Tell us that this is the person who arrested Ken. Now, if it is an individual who arrested Ken because of the problem they have, how can it be churches? Have you seen? If you get Igbo, Igbo, can I hit him poor? I don't hit him poor. Ana more familiar before so. Ana more familiar before so. You may be enjoying it today. You may be enjoying it today. You may be enjoying it today. Book and the Haram Nubausa started with all this madness on Facebook. It started with all this madness on Facebook. Information. We don't need this. We don't need this. These people need to. Before you know it, somebody will have job. We execute first. Others will, because if anything, somebody abuse or something, can also when we river, we follow suit. That is the only thing that is needed. There was a time Matthias came on Facebook to say, no one or no we family say more church yoko. Now let me tell you how such things can boomerang in a very bad way. When that day at the may arrest, it is enough for criminally minded people to say, in fact, before they will have to confirm that Matthias on a first headquarters in Abuja, the first church, the second church, or the third church will go down. With the Obalande Mati say, before a way say, okay, that is the disadvantage of issuing out such words, especially when you are not referring to a person, you are talking about groups, people, numbers. That is why in the leader of groups, they suppose they are too careful because of the wars they say with the amount, because those people may misinterpret or misunderstand what you have said, and they will start acting immediately. Imagine that day that video surfacing on Facebook and there. Nearby. That is why you should be careful with what you say on Facebook, because one day you are dealing with people There are people who are following you. There are people who believe in you. There are people who trust you. There are people that when you tell, march to that fire, they will march to that fire without even having a feeling. There are people who are your die-hard followers that when you tell them that they will label that person. It is, however, left for you to make sure that you don't mislead them. Because if you eventually mislead them, if you need yes, do not take advantage of the fact that people listen to you when you talk. Then you will begin to talk anyhow. Matthias will followers of people who are following him. You don't even know the calibers of people, the mentalities of people who are following you. You issued such statement. That was part of the place I started having issues with him. Because all is so careless with how he say some kind of sensitive words that is capable of causing uprising. All is so careless on how he handles such words. So he issued it out without knowing the weight of the word he said. Now, supposing at that time or no katal, for example, which of course we know that Nanden Tomuriki Toruno. What of all women bento to Jumba? What of all women bento to Jumba? So if you don't surrender the money, because people will answer of where he is. Look at Onyeze Jesus today. Onyeze Jesus has been missing for over 1 month or 2 months. Or when Onyeze Jesus issued such words, when people really moral and live enough to carry out actions. Are you not aware that by now, no one is in mother 10, is in mother 100, when he came down? Meanwhile, a maho, even medicine will ban no bomb. Watch what you say on Facebook. Watch what you say on Facebook. Somebody genuinely ebe government market say down for demolition. You have down Donald on Facebook. Where one day so now government wa ko okwa wa unu kata dey say. Now imagine no when ndị na-eso gu na-ekweta ife na-ekwu and ndị awunde wo psychiatric patient wee kutuo okwu anọsị ya ha echezi ka ịgwa ha jere oheje na because you have already given them direction. That is how some of these political talks say politicians even without those politicians telling them to go and do so. Are you telling me that now all the people in Lagos in the election no, there are people also who will today. There are people who believe in you. There are people who can do and undo because of you. They can even get majesty because of you, for your sake. So when you say some kind of word, manage it very well, because those people may push that word out of proportion and you will answer for it. Because no good that. Yes, no good that other. Otherwise, why I'm work on the show no leaders can hold responsible. Because they know that not that leaders will have responsible even without partaking fully on the battle. Man, no harm won't die hold responsible. So imagine some criminal element or people who are always prepared to carry out evil. They moved in Kwatuo, St. Philip Ekulobia, Kwatuo, St. Michael Ekulobia, Kwatuo. What do you think will happen? Mother, but on Facebook, Biaketa, Saraka, who intimidate Woye. Mani if you know this. Imani if you know, not this. Yeah? Imani if you know this. Yeah? So let us stop this. We still have time now to stop this. I can wait time now. It is still early for us to bring sanity to this social media space. I can let him na-etisi mkpu ya ike, and the heaven and ndị mmadụ will bear me witness na ezugo kwukworo ife ekwu, because I actually said it. Okwu niile a na-anọ na Facebook because of some element, and they know what they are doing. How can somebody come out openly and tell you that some of the things Okuloma na genuine followers here no he will come out and tell you na follow your plan. Are you for real? If you want to go into acting, go into acting. I don't think you know when if you went okay you go on Facebook that people they take you serious. When you first saw Sophia, you go on Facebook that people they take you serious. When you basketball to Bovia, you go on Facebook today, people they take you serious. What of Sabinus and the Macaroni? People they take you serious because people already understand what they do for a living. People already understand that these people are comedians, that they are capable of using anything to make jokes. I've said it countless times, but you that sit down to talk about real issues, analyze and give judgment, you will still be playing joke with serious issues. Capable are you aware? He said, hey, I'm not going to people you take it serious. I'm not going to fight you. Look at AK heat. During the time of AK heat, a lot of people will really understand things from your own part. The moment you said it, a lot of people came out. They really understand the things from your own part because they have trusted your sense of judgment. They came in. All the people who against AKHT and the people in verbal abuse, in a lot of things. Even I don't know about anybody can walk. I'm walking with it only for you to come out last minute and tell people that Apollo won't go to come and collide the heads of people together. You people should stop that. If you want to make a joke, put a disclaimer. Put a disclaimer so that people will know that this is not serious. People will know that this is not serious. Yes. Put a disclaimer. I will come here and say, we can talk about issues without instigating people against each other. We can do that. We can do that. Still, Igbo has refused to learn their lesson after how many years? Igbo has refused to learn their lesson after how many years? This remaining social media space, we are still keeping it. Say, Odo Kife. I can end there for now. You want to go document about this video. As you go, this video today. I don't know why a young man, I don't know if you grew up from a polygamous family. I don't know if you lacked love when you were growing up. You don't like love. You don't like where people are living together in love. You don't like where people are happy. You don't like where people are celebrating. You always like it when it is controversial and it is fight. Must you say everything? Must you say everything? You suddenly became the mouthpiece of Kelafaya. You suddenly became the mouthpiece of Ken, the way you suddenly became the mouthpiece of Okongudibia. You have suddenly become the mouthpiece and the attorney of Ken. You now represent Ken simply because you want to turn these people against these people, or simply because you want to prove a certain point. I don't know the point you are trying to prove exactly. Ebo ni floku no ka. He just squeeze you over there. Kelo don na se no do na no ka. O ka just no ka. Kelo don na se no go there. You have problem with Akuzion. Go and settle it with him, or you leave him and go your own way. You have problem with Akuzion. Akuzion is not the entire church. You lose everywhere. Anything capable of colliding the head of the church with other people, you are out. You have to go out for it. Actually, they say they will be a man of peace. They are jealous of you. People are jealous of you. Epụta n'ime igbuo ịgbapụta n'ilo jụọ onye na-egbu ngụkwo na-akụ ngụ na-ajụ ngụ na-akụ ngụ na-ajụ ngụ na-egbu ngụ na-ajụ. And you are enjoying that lifestyle. Abịa even there is just to talk to you as a brother. If you like, accept it. If you like, don't accept it. All these things, if you are only creating enmity here and there. And sooner or later, you are still going to switch again. Because when this part, becomes too hot, you will still leave it and run away. Run to somewhere if you know I don't know more code. You will start apologizing to a lot of people. Mother suppose to go on and apologize. Sometimes you do the right thing. And when you know that you have done the right thing, leave the rest to God. Do the right thing. And when you know that you have done the right thing, leave the rest to God. There is no way an adult and them an older he name for a reason. Only for you to let her come out and put the responsibility on another man. Because you want that problem to be continuous. When will you even promote peace? When will you ever preach peace? When will you ever preach tolerance? Yeah? When will you ever preach tolerance? Ana korogaka, ona atogo na ana korogaka. Ana korogaka, ona atogo na ana korogaka. Kaiga sa ni goodbye. Aiga sachaye, ayaga say na Facebook. Aiga sachaye, isi ajua yoyi. Isi ajua yoyi. Elu aka. And Eluaka or say decide that if you are going to be either a comedian, an analyst, a blogger, an activist, or a comedian. Yes, I said it at first. Or a prankster. After doing that prank, they will make it obvious to you so that you will know that not a prank, so that you don't take it serious. Why I say not a prank is so that you don't take it to heart. When you come and begin to make joke, you come and you begin to play games with people's emotion. One day the reward will show. A boss is a way say we draw away. Make you carry ever. Go bust my life. I still remain your favorite Igbo.